Hello everyone, Alex from Accent Painting here, and I want to show you a quick tip of how to clean your roller. And I'm not talking about the big roller. The rollers I use a lot are these little guys. Maybe in one of the videos I'll show you where and exactly for what I'm using them. And what happens with them over the time, I would say after a week or so of work, is that this little thing gets rusty, dirty, maybe covered with some sort of paint, and as the dirt builds up, the roller starts rolling slower and not as easy as when the tip of it is clean. So what I found a very efficient, very quick and very nice trick to clean it right at the job site is simply to use a sandpaper. And this particular one is a grade, I believe that's grade 60. Yeah, that's a 61. So what do you really need is that a little piece, doesn't need to be too big. So something like that. You wrap it around it, and then you start spinning the roller in your hand like this. You can keep it this position, then because of the gravity the roller will keep pushing on your hand. Or if you want to go through the whole length of it, cleaning it gradually and kind of in one pass, then you start spinning and then you turn your hand upside down, and because of the gravity and because you can adjust the pressure with your fingers, the roller will start sliding off the sandpaper like this, and you slowly can go through the whole thing, keep spinning, and after, I don't know, a minute or even 30 seconds, you'll have a clean one. So let's go with it and check this out. So I'm starting from this position just to keep it rolling, and then I just turn it upside down. Adjusting my pressure, and then as you see, it starts slowly sliding off my hand. I usually keep it lower so it's more comfortable to spin. If it gets really dirty, then maybe you need to do that twice with a different place on the sandpaper, because that particular thing when you're spinning might get really dirty. So you change the position and you start doing the same process again. Come on. Keeping your hand really low definitely helps spinning faster and without these stupid stops. You'll get the feeling. But what I really want to show you is right here, especially the middle, is now absolutely clean and shiny. Let's finish it up. Basically you're imitating the power sanding. Here. Now it's nice and clean. It's very smooth. You can polish it up with sandpaper of the higher grit. Like, let's say jump to 100 grit or 120 after you did the major cleaning with 60 grit sandpaper. you can polish it up, it will be really smooth and nice, and allowing your roller to be super fast with spinning. And even when you're just barely touching the surface, it will be still able to keep rolling. Especially I like this rollers on the trims and the delicate areas where I need minimum of pressure but maximum of the result. Thanks for watching. That's up to you about thumbs up or down. Support by subscribing. Thank you.